If your salary feels stuck, but your expenses keep growing, this video will change how you think about income. Or, if you've ever wished for an extra source of income, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you 15 small machines that are making more money than regular jobs for many people. Some of them work just a few hours a day and still bring steady profit. Even one of these machines could slowly replace your monthly salary if used the right way. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. We're aiming for 10,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes a difference. This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions. Number 1. Sausage making machine. This machine is a simple way to start a food business with strong daily demand. With a professional sausage stuffer, you can produce high-quality artisanal sausages in a short amount of time. Sausages are always in demand at barbecues, local markets, restaurants, and neighborhood stores. The best part is the low investment. The machine cost usually falls between $150 and $300, making it accessible for beginners. The production cost for 1 kilogram of sausage is around $3 to $4, depending on ingredients. On the selling side, sausages are commonly sold for $7 to $9 per kilogram, which means your profit is nearly double the production cost. You can stand out by offering different flavors like chicken, beef, pork, spicy, cheese-filled, or gourmet options. The machine is compact, easy to clean, and perfect for home production. This makes it a low-risk business with steady income potential. Number 2. Empanada making machine. This machine helps automate one of the most time-consuming tasks, shaping and sealing empanadas. Every empanada comes out the same size and weight, which is important for sales and consistency. This machine allows you to produce hundreds of empanadas per hour without heavy manual work. The initial investment is very affordable, usually between $200 and $400. The production cost of one empanada is extremely low, around $0.10 to $0.15 per unit. In the market, empanadas commonly sell for $0.40 to $0.70 each, depending on location. This creates profit margins of over 300%. Empanadas sell fast and are perfect for cafes, street stalls, food events, and busy corners. Because of the quick turnover, cash flow is constant. This machine is ideal for scaling a small snack business quickly and efficiently. Number 3. Arepa making machine. This machine allows you to produce perfectly round and uniform arepas in seconds. This is ideal for street vendors, small restaurants, and neighborhood stores where demand is high every day. Consistency helps build trust with customers and saves time during busy hours. The investment for this machine is considered accessible, making it suitable for small businesses. The production cost for one arepa is very low, usually between $0.08 and $0.12 per unit. On the selling side, arepas are commonly sold for $0.40 to $0.80 each. This means your return can be up to 5 times the production cost. Arepas are consumed daily in many countries, which keeps demand stable. The machine improves speed, quality, and efficiency, helping you generate steady cash flow while competing effectively in local food markets. Number 4. Homemade pasta making machine. This machine allows you to produce fresh noodles, spaghetti, lasagna sheets, and even filled pasta with a professional finish. Fresh pasta is seen as a premium product and usually sells for more than factory-made options. This makes it a strong business choice for home-based producers and small food businesses. The machine investment is reasonable, usually between $300 and $600, and it does not require a large space. Producing 1 kilogram of fresh pasta costs roughly $0.80 to $1.20 in raw materials. In the market, fresh pasta sells easily for $3 to $5 per kilogram, creating profits up to 4 times the production cost. You can increase sales by offering flavors like spinach, beet, turmeric, or whole wheat. The machine is easy to use, simple to clean, and allows you to scale up as demand grows, making it a low-risk and steady income option. Number 5. Tamale making machine. This machine helps simplify and speed up one of the most labor-intensive food processes. It compresses the dough and assembles tamales evenly, making each unit uniform and ready for cooking. Tamales are a daily food in many regions and are also popular during celebrations. The cost of the machine is accessible, usually starting around $400 depending on size and capacity. The production cost per tamale ranges between $0.50 and $0.80, including ingredients and wrapping. Tamales sell easily in local markets, neighborhoods, and restaurants, generating fast and reliable profits. You can sell fresh tamales, supply restaurants, or freeze and package them for delivery and supermarket sales. With options like chicken, pork, mixed, or vegetarian fillings, this machine supports variety and steady demand throughout the year. What you've seen so far is just the beginning. The next machines are even cheaper to start and can return profits much faster. Number 6. Churro Making Machine. This machine is ideal for high-traffic locations like fairs, parks, school areas, and busy streets. It allows you to produce plain or filled churros quickly, including chocolate, dulce de leche, or cream-filled options. Speed and consistency help increase daily sales. The machine cost is relatively low, usually between $200 and $400. The production cost for one churro is extremely low, around $0.05 to $0.10 per unit. At retail, churros commonly sell for $0.50 or more, allowing profits up to 10 times the production cost. This business can be mobile or fixed. The machine is compact, easy to transport, and simple to clean. It is a straightforward setup with high earning potential and strong customer demand. Number 7. Tortilla Making Machine. This machine helps you produce perfectly round and uniform tortillas in a very short time. Tortillas are the foundation of many popular foods like tacos, burritos, and quesadillas, which keeps demand strong all year. Consistent size and quality make your product more attractive to restaurants and retailers. The machine investment usually falls between $300 and $600, making it accessible for small businesses. The production cost for one tortilla is extremely low, around $0.05 to $0.08. When sold to restaurants or packaged for retail, tortillas are commonly priced between $0.30 and $0.50 per unit. This creates high profit margins with steady repeat orders. You can sell directly to taco stands, neighborhood shops, or build your own brand for supermarkets. The machine is easy to operate and supports scaling as demand increases, making it a reliable long-term income option. Number 8. Hamburger Patty Forming Machine. This machine allows you to shape meat into uniform burgers quickly and professionally. This consistency is important for restaurants, food stalls, and packaged frozen products. The machine works with beef, chicken, or even vegetarian mixtures, giving you flexibility. The investment for this machine ranges from $250 to $500. Producing one patty costs around $0.40 to $0.60 in raw materials. On the selling side, burger patties are commonly sold for $2 or more per unit, depending on the market. This means profits can reach up to 5 times the production cost. This machine is useful for street vendors, small restaurants, and suppliers for fast food businesses. It is compact, easy to use, and delivers fast returns due to the constant demand for burgers worldwide. If you're finding value so far, tap the like button. It helps more people see ideas like these and keeps this content coming. Number 9. Fresh Juice Extraction Machine. This allows you to prepare natural fruit juices in seconds without manual effort. Fresh juice is always in demand, especially in warm regions and busy urban areas where people prefer healthier drinks. The cost of this machine usually ranges from $300 to $800, depending on capacity. Producing a 250 milliliter glass of juice costs about $0.15 to $0.25 based on fruit prices. At retail locations, fresh juice commonly sells for $1.50 to $3 per glass. This results in profit margins up to 10 times the raw material cost. You can sell juice on the street, near gyms, schools, offices, or from a small shop. The growing focus on health and fitness keeps this business profitable and consistent. Number 10. Fritter Making Machine. This machine helps you produce perfectly round fritters quickly and in large quantities. Fritters are especially popular during holiday seasons, weekends, and as a daily breakfast item, which keeps sales consistent throughout the year. The machine removes most of the manual work and helps maintain uniform size and quality. The investment for this machine is very affordable, usually between $250 and $500. The cost to produce one fritter is extremely low, around $0.05 to $0.08 in raw materials. In cafes and bakeries, fritters commonly sell for $0.30 to $0.50 each. This results in profits 5 to 6 times the production cost. This machine is compact, easy to operate, and works well for home-based businesses, bakeries, or street carts. Pairing fritters with coffee or hot chocolate can increase total daily earnings. Number 11. Ice Pop Making Machine. This allows you to produce frozen treats quickly using fruit juice, milk, or flavored mixtures. Ice Pops are easy to sell and very popular in neighborhoods, schools, parks, and family areas, especially in warm climates. The machine investment usually ranges from $300 to $700, depending on capacity. The production cost of one ice pop is around $0.08 to $0.15. At retail, ice pops often sell for $0.50 to $1.20 per unit. This creates profits up to 8 times the production cost. You can stand out by offering tropical fruit flavors, chocolate-filled options, protein-enriched versions, or gourmet varieties. Ice pops are easy to transport, simple to store, and perfect for both mobile carts and small fixed locations. Number 12. Cookie Baking Machine. This machine allows you to produce large batches of cookies with consistent shape and quality. Cookies are a universal snack, enjoyed at home, at work, and in schools, making demand very stable. The machine helps save time and increases production capacity. The cost of this machine ranges from $400 to $900. Producing one cookie costs roughly $0.05 to $0.10 in raw materials. Cookies are commonly sold for $0.30 to $0.70 per unit. This creates strong profit margins across both retail and wholesale channels. You can sell cookies to cafes, bakeries, supermarkets, or build your own brand online, offering flavors like chocolate chip, oatmeal, nuts, or gluten-free options helps attract different customer groups. Number 13. Dulce de leche and Candy Making Machine. This machine helps you prepare sweet products like dulce de leche, fruit snacks, and jams in a consistent and controlled way. The machine mixes and cooks evenly, reducing the risk of burning and maintaining flavor quality. These products have steady demand in both small shops and large supermarkets. The investment for this machine ranges between $800 and $1,500. Producing a 250-gram jar of dulce de leche costs around $0.50 to $0.70. In stores, the same jar sells for $2 to $3, creating profits up to 4 times the production cost. You can operate this business from home, package products in attractive jars, and sell under an artisanal brand. Offering flavors like coffee-infused dulce de leche or ginger-flavored jams helps increase value and customer interest. Number 14. Popcorn Making Machine. This machine is one of the simplest and fastest food businesses to start. Popcorn requires very little preparation time and extremely low-cost ingredients, yet it sells quickly in high-traffic locations. The machine cost is very affordable, usually between $150 and $400. The production cost for one serving of popcorn is less than $0.10. That same serving is commonly sold for $2 to $3, creating profits that can reach up to 20 times the raw material cost. Popcorn can be sold at fairs, school areas, movie nights, or street corners. You can also increase sales by offering flavors like caramel, cheese, butter, or spicy varieties. This machine offers fast returns and consistent daily income. Number 15. Artisanal Cheese Making Machine. This machine allows you to transform fresh milk into cheeses like mozzarella, panela, costeño, or requesón. As more people look for natural and handmade dairy products, demand for artisanal cheese continues to grow. The investment for this machine usually ranges from $500 to $1,200. Producing 1 kilogram of cheese costs around $1.50 to $3, depending on milk prices. In the market, artisanal cheese sells for $6 to $10 per kilogram, allowing profits that can triple or quadruple the raw material cost. You can sell directly to restaurants, gourmet markets, or neighborhood stores. Offering herb-infused, smoked, or aged cheeses helps attract premium buyers and increases overall earnings. If you feel like your current income is not enough, this is your sign to start thinking differently. You do not need a huge investment or years of experience. You just need one simple machine, the right product, and consistent effort. Many of these businesses start small, but grow into reliable sources of profit. Choose one idea, take action, and stay patient. Your income only changes when your decisions change. Comment down, "I will start business today." And if you found value in this list, like the video, share it with someone thinking about starting a business, and subscribe for more practical machine-based ideas. Leave a comment if you have questions. I read every one. I will see you in the next video.